Welcome back to The Ragged Life. Despite the insane cold of this particular winter, and despite the fact that after the guys did the renovation of raising the roof on our house that we just bought, and then realizing that we had to demolish the whole house and start over again, Perry Homes guys kept at it with a great attitude as well, I must say. Stud by stud, bat by bat, window by window, the Perry Homes guys were getting our home closer and closer to us being able to move in. Now, one of the last elements that the home builders would tackle is the kitchen. So what perfect timing to bring the DAS Concrete Countertop people in to see our kitchen roughed out, but certainly not finished, in a way that they can help us figure out the design of how our kitchen's going to look like with countertops. Tell me why I should be excited about getting a DAS countertop in my house.
What we love about concrete is the character. So it's got all the sort of the durability and the beauty that you get from your standard granite and quartz. So as we talk about patina in the industry, basically as you use it, it develops its own finish that becomes unique to you. It's a sustainable option, so it's locally made. So you haven't got all of the carbon emissions associated with transportation. It's made here in the region. It's not being mined out of quarries from around the world. Really, it's that sort of combination of a local sustainable product with something that's beautiful.
So yes, Jessica and I decided to go forward with DAS Concrete Countertops because I showed her the videos that I took at Judith's place at Tuck Interiors earlier, and she's like, yes, that would look awesome in our kitchen. We're really looking for a nice bright house and a bright kitchen, but we also need a very durable, usable countertop because we cook all the time and we socialize a lot and we have people, using our countertop space. I say people, that's my kids and us, for multiple purposes. So we want to make sure it's durable and looks awesome. And that's exactly what DAS Concrete Countertops is able to deliver for us. So we got them to come in, take a look, talk to the builder, and figure out exactly what it is that we should do in our kitchen. But because our builders at Perry Homes still had another month or 2 months to go before we could move in, we actually had plenty of time to get the concrete countertops made. As it turns out, it actually does take a number of weeks to make concrete countertops and allow them the time to cure properly so they're nice and strong and robust. So I was really excited and keen to see what the actual process was of the manufacturing. So Emma and Yannick invited me to come down to their facility and actually see the process of how their countertops are made.